in chapter 1, we've learned about several strategies that we could use to help us figure out our math problems or our addition problems. Does anyone remember one strategy that we could use to help us figure out our addition sentences? You could use your brain. If you remember what 4 plus 1 is, do you need to use anything else to figure out what 4 plus 1 is? No. You can just write the answer. So your brain is a very powerful tool. You're right. What other strategy have we used in math in first grade?
Your brain.
What did you say? Okay, but what did we use on our piano to help us? And we had them in our hands too, that we put together.
Cubes.
Cubes, thank you. Do you remember using cubes? I could use cubes to help me with an addition problem. Okay? So if I know it's 3 plus 1, I can draw 3 cubes and add 1 more cube, and then I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay? So using cubes is a strategy that we talked about in first grade. What is a different strategy we talked about using? Counters. Very good. So I could use counters as well. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. Okay? What's one more object that we have used in first grade to help us with our math? We just talked about counters. We just talked about that. There was something else that we've used. Counting on the number chart or on the number line. Very good. So you can use your number line to help you. I can find the number 3 and then go 1 more, hop 1, because that's what it says to do. Okay? So first grade, by using those strategies, that's what we're going to practice on the front of this page. Okay? Because all of those are strategies that we can use. Okay? So, go ahead and get out your top colorful page. Do you notice that there is a line right here? We are going to stay above that line for right now. Okay? Okay, I want you to listen to my story, and I want you to draw a picture. I know that they don't give you a whole lot of space to draw your picture, but I want you to draw your picture in this space, okay? Remember, first grade, we already talked about our strategies that we could use, okay? Sir? You worry about you. Okay? So, everyone listen, and as I read this story, I want you to draw your picture. Are you ready? There are 2 children in line. Go ahead and draw. For this slide. 4 more children get in line for the slide. How many children are in the line for the slide? What did you draw? What did you draw? She drew cubes. Did anyone else draw cubes? Awesome. What did you draw? Counters. Okay. Did anyone else draw counters? Awesome. Good. Should you have drawn counters or cubes? It didn't matter, did it? Did it tell me in the directions which ones I should draw? No, it just said draw a picture, right? So if you drew cubes or counters, it doesn't matter which one you chose to do. Either one of them was correct. Okay? Well, you could have it, except for it's a lot quicker and easier to draw if you draw counters or cubes. Okay? So now, first grade, I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and draw just counters just to okay. Now what am I going to do? Not quite yet. What am I going to do? Write the number sentence. What number of children did we draw first? 2. Very good. So 2 is my first addend. Remember we learned about addends? Do I have to have another addend? Yes, I do. Sir, do you remember what the next addend is going to be? No, look at your picture. Look at our picture that we do. It helps remind you. This is a good reason why we draw our picture, so that we can keep it organized. Did I say 1? 4. Thank you, sir. There are 4 here, so I'm going to write 4. You guys need to stay organized. It's very important. If I did not know what number goes next here, should I look? Look at your paper. It is not on your paper right now, but if you go back and read this story, that is where you would find it. Okay? So, raise your hand if you know what P equals 4 is. Thank you for saying that in your brain and not sharing it out loud quite yet. What's 2 plus 4? Very good. It is 6. Now, first grade, please, please, please do not draw 6 more things, because that gets very, very confusing. Okay? We drew our 2 and we drew our 4, and that's all we need to draw. Okay? Please, please, please do not draw 6 more. Okay? Please don't do that, because that gets very, very confusing. Does everyone see why we do not draw any more? Okay, that gets very confusing. So now, first grade, we are going to learn. Right now we wrote it horizontal, but now we're going to learn how to write it going vertical. Okay, so it's going to be the exact same way, it's just kind of set up a little bit different. Okay, it's kind of like whenever you have stacks of paper, instead of laying them all out on your desk, we're going to stack it on our desk. Does that make sense?
It's like a
Okay. Yeah. So we could lay it all out like this on our desk, but we could also stack it up on our desk, right? We stop doing that. Okay, so what number of children went in line for this slide?
2.
So in the first top box, we're going to put the number 2. Thank you for remembering this story. How many many more children got in line? How many more children got in line? 4. So what's my next number? 4. Look at this, first grade. Instead of saying 2 plus 4 equals 6, my add-ins are now right here. Do you see that? So now it says 2 plus 4 equals. Do you see where the equal sign is now? Does it look like this equal sign? Does it? I don't think so. It's just one line instead of 2 lines. Okay? So it's a little bit different, the equal sign is. All you have is this one line right there. Okay? So these are the add-ins. This is the thank you for remembering. These are the add-ins. This is the very good. Raise your hand if you know what 2 plus 4 is. What is it, first grade? Wonderful job. Okay, so when we do our addition sentences today, some of them might be horizontal, and that's okay. And some of them might be vertical, and that's okay too. Either way is right, but they do the same thing. Also, first grade, if you know it in your brain and you want to write the answer, that's wonderful. That's okay. But if you do not know the answer, I want you to use these strategies that we have learned about in first grade.